Are you tired of the flopping and groping of the crypto markets? Are you stuck staring at your computer without a life and all you have is crypto? Do you need a break but still want to be able to have some fun and make another income? Well, I tell you what, your boy CryptoFace is here to help. Let's just take the past 7 days with our sports betting picks from your boy, truly. No one else sends me the picks. I analyze all the trends, go through all the numbers, do my thing. Just the past 7 days. Okay, so we're looking at the wins for the past 7 days. We have 1, 2. This was a parlay, by the way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Technically, we could say 7 wins because of the parlay. Okay, so we'll say 6 or 7 wins past 7 days. Let's click losses. What's wrong here? What's wrong here? You're telling me that there's no losses? But we click the wins. There's 7 wins, 6, 7 wins. What about losses? What about losses? There is none, baby. Sometimes we'll take a loss, but not that often. We are on fire. How many bets? I don't know. We'll bet a few times a week. We had 6 games this past 7 days, and we've won every single one. Taking a look at the crypto market, I'm still on vacation. God, I peek my head back into my whale crew, and I see the flopping and groping, and I want to peek my head right back out. But interesting things going on. We are seeing major bullish indicators firing off on Market Cipher. On the 4-hour chart, we got the snake eyes. Snake eyes, that is big. Even on the 6-hour, we have our green dot. You go back through history, you look at green dots firing off on the 6-hour. They are very rare. But boy, are they something else. Boy, are they accurate as hell. Pretty much every single green dot on the 6-hour ends up turning out to be a home run killer. The only times it didn't was during the major drop. This was November 2018. Right? So the question is this what we're seeing? Are we seeing a major, huge drop like back in November, December 2018? Or was this just a sell-off and it's time to fire? Could be both. Could be both. Now, just because we've seen snake eyes and green dots doesn't mean that we still don't come back and at least revisit. Many times we'll come back and at least revisit where the green dots fired off. So what you want to do is up to you. Market Cipher nails every move. It's just a matter of, are you seeing it? Are you reading it? Or are you not? Looking at the 3-day, we still have this cross right here on the 3-day. Is this the short opportunity for 10,857? Or did we already see the bottom? Tough questions. Money flow is coming down here. We're kind of in the end. Normally we'll see like a little chill zone of the money flow before it comes back up. So I honestly wouldn't be surprised if... And remember, we also drew this pattern. This 3 triangle pattern happens often. We're on a big time scale. And so, go through my last streams and videos. We pointed this out, that it is very likely we could be seeing the 3 decreasing triangle pattern. It comes down before it runs back up. As the time goes by, it seems to be more and more likely that that is the case. So, be careful. I wouldn't say this is the time to over leverage. Even 10x leverage, you're almost not safe. 15x, you're definitely not safe. So, take with that as you will. I am enjoying baseball, still enjoying my vacation, although I'm peeping my head in and out. Details are below. I think I'm going to change it because things are difficult to manage. Instead of doing like $250 for 3 months for the sport bets, I'm probably just going to do like $400 for a lifetime. Then I never have to worry about it again. Other than that, things are still going well. As traders, we don't really care if it's just going to go up or down, although I know so many of you are new, and so it's funny the amount of action and trade action and volume that's being done just with the people under me in Bybit has decreased almost 50%. It's funny, when we're in an uptrend, you know, more people are trading. If we're in a downtrend, people do not, which is fine. You know, if you're not comfortable, don't trade. If you're not comfortable, don't trade. Careful of your FOMO. But yes, we do have some bullish signs, signs that we could be at a bottom. We might still come back and revisit it, maybe even go down a little more, but strong signs that we could be at a bottom. Looking at the 12-hour here, if this 12-hour blue wave pinches off, we technically have an anchor. So this white wave could be cutting into the blue. That would be a really good sign as far as a bottom, confident bottom. So patience is a virtue. Don't force yourself into anything you don't want to. And enjoy your summer days. Now I'm going to go get something to eat. And I tell you what. We're going to give out today's 2 baseball picks. Today's 2 baseball bets, and there's still time before the games, are the Boston Red Sox -1.5 and the Washington Nationals -1.5. What -1.5 means is they have to win by at least, they're starting the game off with -1.5 points, right? It's a handicap, okay? How I come to these picks, that's the secret sauce. And so we'll see what happens, but I'm going to be watching some baseball tonight. What are you people going to be doing?